Hello and welcome back to the channel and to a brand new video from 55 degrees north. Today I'm down on Newcastle Quayside on another wet February day where I'm going to be taking a walk along to the Ouseburn and we'll have a look what's going on and see what we can see on the way. As you may remember, I've done a walk along video from the Gateshead Bridge along to the Millennium Bridge quite a few months back now. So I'm continuing the walk from the Millennium Bridge along to the Ouseburn. If you want to see that video, I'll leave a link in the description for this video so you can have a look. So we'll start heading along to see the quayside. So over there we've got the Malmaison Hotel and we've got the Picture and Piano pub. And obviously across the water we've got the Baltic flour mill. And obviously that big white bridge there is the Millennium Bridge, which opened in 2001. So actually a year after the Millennium. So coming up on the right there we've got the new Dakota Hotel. Just past that little thing there with a little globe in the top. That's the Dakota Hotel. We've got some spinning chairs here. Obviously not the time of the year or the day to be sitting in them. We've got some other kind of chairs here. I don't know if these turn or not. Yeah, they actually do, they turn. And we've got some sort of climbing frame. We've got some more of them revolving seats. Can imagine it'll be quite good sitting down here in the warmer summer days and what it is today. We've got some like spinning seats with a table. We've got this thing here, I haven't got a clue what it is, but I'm sure we'll go across and have a look. I don't know if this sign over tells you what it's about. Oh, it's called the Blacksmith's Needle, commissioned by the Tyne Development Corporation. So there you go, that's the Blacksmith's Needle. Have a look up there, different things on it, different patterns. We've got some nicely painted planters here. There's more tables where you sit and have food at, obviously on warmer days. We'll continue heading along. A lot more plant pots here, all decorated up. Oh, got some sort of, are these some sort of lounges or something to lie on? I don't know. That's what they look like a little lounge bed. We'll keep heading along. So over there you've got the Gateshead Quays, the Leonardo Hotel. Up this side we've got apartment blocks, offices at the bottom section. So this, years ago when I was little, was all industrial units, big storage sheds for the ships that used to come up the Tyne. Used to be rails running along here where the giant cranes used to run back and forwards. Them's all been long gone now. Long gone. I always remember as a kid, used to be Royal Navy ships come up the river. Used to actually come up this far. And I remember once there was a submarine came up the river. All memories from my childhood, walking along the banks of the River Tyne. All these apartment blocks, quite new, they've been here a few years. But big difference to Newcastle's industrial past. All modern apartment blocks, living spaces now. But I'll just quickly head along, see what's going on along here, which used to be Spiller's Wharf. If anybody remember the old Spiller's flour factory, it was here many years ago, which was pulled down quite a few years ago. And some people may remember they were supposed to be getting something called the Way wheel, but that never materialised. It's supposed to be a big giant wheel like the one I've got down London on the Thames. Plans come for it, never happened. You can see this was like an old warehouse over there a lot of years ago. I don't know if anybody remember the TV programme Spender, but I always remember a scene when Spender came down here in his Ford Sierra Sapphire Cosworth. So I made it to Spiller's Wharf, and you can see, looks like it's a Valentine fair. All rides £2. So that's something that's coming to Spiller's Wharf in the next few days. I don't know actually where it runs from. I can't see any dates on it at the minute. But it currently looks like they're just busy setting up all the rides, stalls, whatever else. So we'll head back towards Ouseburn, and I'll see you when I get there. So I've eventually made it to the Ouseburn. So I've got the Tyne bar over there. So we'll head on that, see what's going on. See a little tributary that runs into the River Tyne, the Ouseburn itself. We'll go over here. What's something called the slab shop. I believe that's slabs of pizza and stuff. We'll head round and have a look around the Ouseburn area. This is actually called Riverside Walk. I've got a seagull over there, just floating about on the water. We've got some ducks floating about down there. It's the right weather for them. Well, that's saying perfect weather for ducks, and I think it is. All the rain we've had over the last month or so. We'll keep heading up. Some more ducks floating about. Right, these are like living areas. All apartment blocks, which has all been built over the last few years. Both sides, you can see, all modern living now. Considering there used to be a lot of industrial units around this part of the city years ago. So over the years and down the Ouseburn, there was clusters of different industries around this area, from flax spinning, lead production, pottery making, you name it, even glass products. And inevitably coal has to be mentioned because of the transporting of coal. As we've all heard the saying, coal is from Newcastle. So we'll keep heading up through the Ouseburn itself, see what other areas we can see. Just cutting under the road bridge here. You see more boats tied up at the side there. Some more old industrial units of sailor industry around this time, years ago. All gone now, consigned to the history books. And see how fast the water's running down there. You look at it on the trees, look at that piece of wood there, really fast flowing. Actually got a boat or a canoe tied to it. Be fun going down there in the canoe today. Over here we've got what looks like an old paddle steamer. I don't know what it actually is. It's just been put there in some sort of decoration, or it's been used for something in the past, I don't know. We can see how fast the water's flowing around it. So we'll keep heading up towards the Baker Viaduct. Got some more feathered friends over there. Got a couple of swans. They're on daft keeping at that water there.
Not for you, son, not for you.
So we'll keep going up. See the water seems to be getting worse. Coming down the river faster the further we're walking up. I'll just continue up to this bit. Got a massive puddle down here. It's a bit deep, that one to step in. I'll have to jump over that one. So that's the Viaduct Road Bridge at the Ouseburn. And the one behind there, the concrete structure, is obviously the Metro Bridge. We'll just get round another massive puddle. Oh, I can get round this side, it's a bit muddy. We'll see if we can get round. I think everybody else has been walking on there by the path. And we've got the other viaduct, which is the main railway line. We've got a little welly stuck on the fence post there. So I'll continue heading up. I'll continue around where I'll finish this video off. We'll just have a look at the fast flowing water. I'm going to this bridge. As you can see, pretty fast flowing there, especially on the bend at the top corner there. Look from the other side of the bridge. See how fast flowing it is there. We'll head up around this last little part, just to give you a look what's around here. So we've got the Clooney coming up, got some artwork on the wall there. I believe the Clooney's a comedy club or something. And we've got Ouseburn Farm over here. We've got some more paintings on the wall there. An ancient place of lead and stone, steel and scrap, sluice gates, water tunnels, mud, children's artists, beasts and birds, where the future grows and it shakes its wings. So that's about it for this video. If you've liked this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to 55 Degrees North and hit that bell notification for release more videos. A massive thank you for watching, and I will see you next time right here on 55 Degrees North.